switchbacks now in the YOHO Valley. Pretty cool switchbacks. You can see that they've got reinforcements on the side of the mountain to keep the road up. This is so cool. There we go, turning one switchback.
But this is actually not
Here we go. Gotta go over here. It is. Super cool.
This is part one of our trip in YOHO National Park, where we did the whaleback and we hiked the iceline trail. This is day one, where we hike into Twin Falls Campground for the night. This is a 3-night trip with our friends Mike and Alicia and our kids.
Wow, there it is. Hopefully I'm saying it right, but Takaka Falls. The dog is pulling me. Isn't that cool?
Can we go by the mist? Because it's sweaty there.
We're gonna go up to Twin Falls Campground. And it's about 6.5 kilometers according to my Garmin. And we're going that way, into the mist. It was pouring rain and we had to hide out in the shelter over there. We're just right now at Takaka Falls Campground, hiding from the rain. We are just starting the trail to go to Twin Falls Campground. Look at how gorgeous it is with all the fog. You can see the pass up there in the glacier. We're in Little YOHO Valley. And look at how gorgeous it is. Merrick, you need to be very careful on this bridge. It's going to be slippery. And that water is moving fast, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, you guys need to be really careful.
Why is the water so cold? Oh, why is the water so cold?
Get ahead of the dog. The water is raging. It's raining.
Just try and stay on the rocks as much as you can.
Yeah, obviously it's waterproof.
Yes. Yeah. She can jump. She's got long legs now. So can you, Merrick, but use your poles if you have to.
What?
Go. Go. Use your poles and pole vault. Go. There you go. Perfect.
Well,
Keep going. Keep stepping on the lumpy parts of grass.
what?
Well, now your feet are going to get wet.
When I stepped out, I literally felt no change.
Really?
My feet never got wet. and they both have to. They both have 10 kids, okay?
Uh-huh.
And Bob kissed Streak in God's hand, sat there a long time stuck. It creates a rift that sucks.
Look how beautiful this trail is. I've got my umbrella on. My 6 Moon Designs umbrella.
Mom, you could go the other way.
And my Gossamer Gear hands-free umbrella system here. Look at how well this is working. This is awesome. Look at how nice this trail is. Where's the boys? There they are. There's the boys.
Down. What?
What?
Down.
Banana.
But it's not slippery.
Yes.
Let's go over here and take a look, Aviva. Hey, you stay there. I'm going to go over here. Wow, look at that.
Yeah. Okay.
It's incredible how high the water is right now. Because we were just, oh, look at him. He's flying in the water. He must be hot. It's so high because of all the rain. Wow.
Do you want me to take the dog? Do you want me to take him?
Yes, take it.
Okay.
Wow! Woo! Look at how awesome that is! Oh my goodness!
Stop going longer. It's gonna keep going.
Oh my goodness! You guys want to have lunch here? And you have sandwiches! Where's your sandwich? Did you bring it?
Where was it?
Bring, put it up to me.
Still there. What's special about that rock you're on? Well, that's cool. Sit in it. Show me. It forms to your body.
Yeah.
Oh, that's really cool.
Watch out for that.
Don't put the poles down on the deck. Merrick, who makes that shirt that you're wearing? That shirt. That yellow shirt, what does it say on it? Turn around. Oh, the North Face. That's same as your shoes. Let me see your shoes. Turn it sideways. The North Face. Are you sponsored by North Face? Oh yeah, that's a cool rock. Should have brought the crash pad so we could do some climbing. Ghost, you thirsty?
Exactly 120 meters.
Really?
Exactly 120. What? Okay. It took us exactly 120 meters to get from that bridge to here. Man, I love these shoes. They're waterproof. So this one and this one.
Because there's
Campsite.
actual burnt there.
Yeah, but it's a campsite.
Okay, so bring your pack over here, Merrick.
Did you look around to see if there was any others?
There's one more, but it's not as good. This is the Twin Falls campground. You can see that we've got a bunch of tables here for eating at. Walking up to the tents. Lots of campsites. Very nice campground. There's our friends Mike and Alicia's tent. Their tent is a Big Agnes as well. They've got the Tiger Wall 3. They like a little more room. They've got 2 people, so they got the Tiger Wall 3. There's our Hyper Light tarp all set up. We're going to try putting the dogs under that tonight to sleep. Go under the tarp. Here's our tent. Got the Big Agnes again. Not a huge distance between the food and the tents, which is not awesome for bears, but it's all right. And they've got bear hangs here, no bear lockers. They've got a big pole and the cables, so it's all right. You can see we've got a beautiful view. And there's the bear hang. Everybody say hi!